Hi, today we got in the single serve coffee maker. This coffee maker does feature the usage of either K-cups, or it does have a reusable filter for using any type of your own coffee beans and grounds and stuff. Very easy to use, very user friendly. Again, it's one serving. You fill up the water as you need it for the quantity of coffee that you want. For the demonstration, we'll be using the K-cups because that's what we utilize here at home. Very simple. Input the K-cup pod in there, put your water in there, and it does have the ounces listed there on the water container in there for how much coffee you'll be using. Just put in your K-cup, close the lid, or your coffee grounds, close the lid, press the power button, and it will automatically start brewing you some fresh hot coffee. It does feature automatic descaling, so it will trigger that as needed. If the machine does need it, highly recommend this product.